What's up, Afro Beast? It's your boy Coconut here again, bringing on a great video. And yeah, in this video, we're going to do something special, something unique, something elegant for our dads. And yeah, as you can see, Father's Day is approaching. Maybe if you're watching this video, maybe today might be the Father's Day. And yeah, let's do something to appreciate them, something to show our love to them. So we are doing this Father's Day card. That's a card. Yeah, without breaking the bank, you don't need to buy something expensive. Maybe if you don't have the money, just do something that your father will know that you really appreciate him. And yeah, so this is the card that we are going to make in this video. Please stick to the end, and yeah, I'll show you how I made mine. And yeah, make your father happy and proud. And I think we should jump into the video, but before then, please subscribe to my channel to get more updates on my videos. I think that also. I'll see you guys at the end. Alright guys, so we begin by cutting the card, and the measurement I'm cutting with is 18 centimeters by 28 centimeters. Yeah, and the inner, so now we're getting the inner one, and I have to cut all excess out before cutting out. And yeah, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification to be part of the Afro Beast squad, and comment down in the comment section, or let me know in the comment section whether you are an artist or not. Yeah. We are done. And yeah, I was checking my measurement to see whether they are accurate before I start cutting. So I measured 1 centimeter, then I cut it out. Okay, so now we have our measurements accurate, and yeah, so I measure from the ends 7.5 centimeters at both ends. So we are going to fold in. Yeah. So fold in and for the other side too. Alright. So I'm going to trim out the edges to see whether they are all equal. If they are not equal, so you need to trim out the edges to make them equal. Okay. Alright, so I measured 9 centimeters. 9 centimeters. Alright. So now I'm folding. Okay. So now we have our folds. So cleaning out all the pencil marks, and yeah, we are done with that one. So now pick up the inner one, and yeah, measure. That's 13 centimeters. Yeah. And now I was going for 1.5 centimeters, but I later changed my mind and did it 1 centimeter. So you're going to mark from the ends each both on each side 3 centimeters. Now we're going to cut through the 3 centimeter measurement we marked on the paper. Alright. So as you can see, we're doing, we are getting the inner color. You need to make both sides touch at the middle, as you can see mine. So I'm trying to make them touch both at the middle. Alright, so now we have it. Now I'm rounding up the edges to make it look nice and neat. So we are going to actually do that on all 4 sides of the sheet of the card. Sorry. Once again, if you are new to this channel, please stay to the end and give this video a thumbs up and comment in the comment section telling me whether you are an artist or not. Alright. Yeah, and subscribe to my channel. And please turn on post notification, the important part, to be part of the Afrobeat squad. That's where all the cool kids are. Alright, so now I'm trying to see whether it fits in the card properly. And I'm fitting in the buttons. Alright. So we are done with the fitting. So now we add some color to it. And now as you can see, I'm testing out the inner part to see whether it fits perfectly or not. Alright. So as you can see, it fits. So we are moving on to the inner one. Now making a tie, a bow tie for it. And with the bow tie, I struggled a lot, but it's I think it turned out great. And you just need to add some glue and cut out some pieces, as you see in the video. So when you round it up until it meets the very end of the paper, then you cut it off to make it neat and clean. Alright, so now I'm sticking it onto the color. Alright, it was very sticky, so my hand got a bit sticky. And we're moving on to the top pocket to give it some style. So now I cut the patch in to keep the inner card from falling. As you can see me folding, so I fold, and you see where the lines meet, I cut them out too. So it looks very simple. And now I'm gluing it. So now we're going to glue it onto the card and put it inside to see whether it's fit and whether it look nice. And I think we are done with it, and that's the card. So now we're going to mark out where we are going to write our descriptions, and we are done with the video. guys, so we are done with this video, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new, as I said in the video earlier, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notification to be part of the Afrobeat squad. Yeah, and that's a very important part, so please turn post notification on to get any updates on my videos as to when I drop them. And yeah, this is how the card turned out. Very nice and simple, just something to show your love and appreciation to your dad on this Father's Day. I think that was all for it, guys, and as I said earlier, subscribe to my channel. I will not force you, but subscribe. I'm waiting for you guys. Please subscribe. Okay, I think you are done subscribing. Turning on post notification as well. And yeah, comment down in the comment section as to whether you are also an artist or not. Yeah. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up, and I think I'll see you guys in another video. Ciao, salam.